Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on the Bitcoin. On 19th of April, I shared a post on the Patreon for my followers that the Bitcoin may complete the final leg of the bullish shark move on the 2-day chart. And this was the post. Let me just show you. And this was the chart. And we can see that the price line was just completing the final leg of the bullish shark move, and the buying zone of this bullish shark was starting from $51,470 and ends up to $49,093. And this was the chart. And you can see at that time the price line was just completing this final leg. It was reached up to this level. Here the price line was at $55,245. Now I'm just going to play this chart, and you can see we also had a 50 simple moving average support below this buying zone, and the sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence were $54,398 and ends up to approximately $60,000. I think at this time this feature of the trading view is not working. Let me just show you this chart on the live 2-day chart. And this was a shark move that I posted on the 19th of April. And you can see that the price action completed this final leg here. And even we had a long spike beyond this buying zone, but the price line retraced back in the buying zone. Now, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish shark, the sell targets were from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement projection of C to D leg, and you can see that the price action has hit these sell targets so far. But I'm expecting that the price action can move a little bit more, because at this time the price line is struggling at the 55,000 resistance level. If it will be broken down, we will have the closing above the $55,000, then we can have the next move up to $60,000. I'll show you in this video. Now first of all, let me just show you this very important chart. And we can see that this time, after a long time period, after September 2020, the price line is retesting. It was retesting the 100 simple moving average as a support, and it was accumulated above this 100 simple moving average, and now it is having a very good bounce. Now if we place this measurement tool here, like previously we had the previous bounce here approximately at $10,300, and so far after the previous bounce we can see that we had more than 520% gains. So if the price line is going to start the same rally, and this will be, if it is going to be the main rally, then we are going to see a very big bullish move from here. But there is a little bit difference between the previous move back in September and the current move. Let me just show you. At that time we also had the support of the EMA 21 weekly. Like this is the daily time frame chart, and this red one is the EMA 21 and this blue one is the EMA 10. And I'm just going to switch to the weekly time frame chart, and we can see that in September 21 here the price line also got bounced from by this EMA 21 as well. And after this bounce, the price line did not retest the EMA 21 again. And it is understandable that previously we did not have that much bullish market like we have currently. Therefore, the price line did not retest the EMA 21 again. And we can see that after this bullish rally, the price line retested the EMA 10 here, the weekly EMA 10, and moved to the upside. And after this powerful rally that we had up to $64,850, the price action is again retraced and retesting the EMA 10 again. So it is also possible that without retesting the EMA 21, there is a big number of traders who are waiting for the EMA 21 to be retested again. But it is possible that EMA 21 will be not retested this time again, and the price line will start the next bullish rally to the upside like it did here and almost here as well. Now if we watch this daily time frame chart, then here we can see that the price line was moving between the $50,000 to $60,000. This is the main support and resistance level where the price line is moving. For a while, the price line broke down this $50,000 support level here, but at that time, the stochastic went in the oversold zone, you can see here. And when the stochastic gave us the bull cross, the price action started the next bullish rally. And again, the stochastic went into the overbought zone and gave the bear cross or sell signals. This blue line crossed down this red line, that was the sell signal. And when this blue line crosses up the red line by the stochastic, that is a buying signal. So after this sell signal, the price action was at $60,000 resistance, moved down again to this $50,000 support level. Stochastic again gave us the bull signal or buying signal from the oversold zone, and the price action moved up again. And we can see that from there, we again received a bear cross or the sell signal by the stochastic from the overbought zone, and the price action moved down again at the support of $50,000 again. And we again had received this this buying signal by the stochastic. Now, if I place the RSI indicator here, the oscillator here, then we can see that previously the RSI was not went into the oversold zone. For example, here the RSI was moving, here the RSI was moving here approximately at the center, and here the RSI was again approximately at the center. But this time the RSI has entered in the oversold zone. Therefore, this time we can expect more powerful rally than the previous rallies. However, we also have this $55,000 resistance level. At this time, the price line is struggling to break out this resistance. If it will be broken out, then the next resistance is at $60,000. But so far, we did not have the closing, the daily closing above the $55,000. Therefore, unless the price line will not break out this $55,000, and maybe it will retest the $55,000 as a previous, as if the previous resistance as a support, and then it will start the next rally to the upside to hit the $60,000. And unless we will not have the closing above the $55,000, there is still possibility that we can go down and we may retest the EMA 21 weekly. At this time, the price line seems to be bullish, but the indicators are not so much bullish. If you watch the momentum, let me just show you the momentum indicator. That's very, very important indicator. Then we can see that the momentum is still strong bearish. So the indicators are still not very, very strong bullish, but the oscillators are turning bullish. We are also having the moving averages turning bullish. Therefore, we can expect that we can have a move up to $60,000 at this time. Now, if the price line, if the Bitcoin is going to start the major rally, like it start back after retesting the EMA 21 and the 100 simple moving average daily, then where the price action can go, at least the price line can go above $80,000. For example, if we move back again to this weekly time frame chart, then we can see that this was our previous rally. And if we place this from this high to this low, then we can see that we are almost exactly at the same level where we have this 0.618 Fibonacci 1.618 Fibonacci extension from this high to this low. Now, if the price line will start the major rally like we had here, then if we place this Fibonacci extension, Fibonacci tool from this high to this low, then we have the next 1.618 Fibonacci extension at this level that is above $85,000. You can see approximately at $86,000. So we can have the next rally up to $80,000 or $85,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me here at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.